So this is how you should use AstroSeek to create your nakshatra chart, but in tropical. So go to AstroSeek's the regular website, and in the drop down menu of free horoscopes, scroll down, go to sidereal astrology calculator. Next, in this, just scroll down, go to Ainamsha, scroll all the way down and select 0° Ainamsha in tropical. Extend the settings. You can remove all of these things because they're not really necessary in nakshatras. You can use lunar nodes and select true, and you can select aspects to the nodes and ascendant and MC and calculate. After the chart loads, you can go to nakshatras. You can select 27 starting from 0° Aries, or you can select 28 in which Abhijit is specified. Okay, not the equal. Abhijit is specified at 6° 40 minutes. So either or is fine because it leads to the same result. And this is how you get your tropical chart.